This book examines evidence that we may be paying a high price for overlooking the innate rhythmicity of life on Earth, and it refutes the widespread myth that sleep is an off time that can be sacrificed for getting more out of a busy waking life. For example, shift work is the most common major disruption to our circadian rhythms, affecting more than 20% of the global working population. Large studies that have tracked the health of night shift workers over time indicate that they are at a greater risk than their non-shift working colleagues of developing obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, some types of cancer, dementia, and of dying younger from all causes. The evidence is now clear that getting enough sleep on a regular basis is one of the 3 pillars of health, along with diet and exercise. Indeed, the legal argument is now being made that healthy sleep is a fundamental human right under the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In the context of the COVID-19 epidemic, it is useful to know that the sleep you get on the night after vaccination is critical to the amount of immunity that you develop, because the immune system recharges during sleep. For us, and many other species, the changes in light intensity that accompany the day-night cycle provide the key environmental time cue that keeps our circadian timekeeping system in step with Earth's rotation. Until very recently in the history of life on Earth, the day-night cycle, as well as the phases of the moon and the seasonal changes in day length, provided reliable time cues to synchronize the internal rhythms of all cell-based life forms. Our extensive and rapidly expanding use of artificial light at night is being shown to disrupt entire ecosystems, both on land and in the oceans. Our genetic programming for the geophysical cycles on Earth also creates interesting challenges for our dreams of living on the Moon or Mars. This book is an introduction to life on Earth viewed through the lens of chronobiology. It begins with Earth's geophysical cycles and the amazing diversity of internal timekeeping systems that have evolved in response to them, with examples from algae to humans. The focus then shifts to the circadian rhythms that modulate how we feel and function every day of our lives, how they are generated, and how all our internal rhythms are synchronized with each other and kept in step with the environmental changes caused by Earth's rotation. Next, we explore the essential third of our lives that most of us know least about, namely sleep. Knowledge derived using modern scientific methods converges with old knowledge derived from careful observation and introspection.